Guys, so wanna win sugar products worth rupees 2000? Well, then you have to watch this video till the end to know about it.
This is Shubie MUA and today I'm going to create this makeup look using all my favorites from Sugar Cosmetics that I love. So please keep on watching to check my suggestions. So first things first, I'm going to use Metal Priming Balm because it not only hydrates but it also minimizes the appearance of fine lines and pores. It's definitely worth buying for that soft focus finish. For my foundation, I'm going to mix two of my holy grails, that is Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation along with Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in Pink Drippin'. And for the application, I'll be using Sugar's Kabuki foundation brush. I simply love how flawless and dewy my skin looks after this one step. Next up, I'll be using Archival Micro Brow Pencil. Now when they said micro, they weren't kidding because the pencil is really very fine, but it's highly pigmented. It'll help you get those hair-like strokes and well-defined brows. You can see the results for yourself. It's my absolute favorite. Ever since I got my hands on it, I just can't think of using anything else. I'm sure you have your favorites too, so do let us know in the comment section about your favorite products from Sugar Cosmetics. I love when a product is multi-purpose, and that is exactly what Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick is. This is in the shade Princess Peach and it can be used as an eyeshadow, lipstick and blush. Now after contouring, I'm going to set my entire makeup in place using Sugar's Powder Play Translucent Compact. It enhances your complexion, blurs out your imperfections and also makes your makeup last longer. Next up, I'm using Blend Rules Eyeshadow Palette in Flawless and Warrior. With the help of the blending brush from Sugar, I'll be applying this orange eyeshadow as a transition shade onto my lid. Then I'll be using this Gold Kajal from Sugar Cosmetics and I'll be applying it onto my lid. And I'll smudge the Kajal in the shape of my trees using a small blending brush from Sugar. I'll pack some black eyeshadow followed by dark brown to make the transition smooth between orange eyeshadow and black eyeshadow. And then I'll drag the same colors down to my lower lash line. I'll finish the other eye and let's start with mascara. I'm using my current favorite, that is Double Date Mascara. It has two sides to it. One side is a waterproof mascara and the other has fibers to it, which not only adds volume but also lengthens your natural eyelashes. Next up, I'm using Contour de Force Face Palette in the style 01 Subtle Summit. It is multi-purpose and travel-friendly with blush, highlighter and contour in the same palette. I'm sure you'll save some time too. It is definitely a must-have. It's so pigmented and the formula is to die for. Next, I'm using my favorite Lipping on the Edge lip liner in the shade Taffeta Terracotta. This is my second purchase in the same shade. I really love it and I think it will suit most Indian skin tones. And I'm filling in with the same Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade Princess Peach. And to set my face, I'm using Grand Finale Dewy Setting Mist. And this is my fourth bottle. I don't have to say how much I love it. Here's the final look. This is the makeup look that will not go wrong no matter what the occasion is. So feel free to recreate this look and tag Sugar Cosmetics. I really hope you liked my makeup suggestions, and if you did, then don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment to let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Well, that's it for today. So guys, here's the time for the surprise. All you have to do is keep showering us with all your love by liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on our channel, and we will pick a lucky winner every single week as the fan, and you will be getting some exciting Sugar products. So keep the comments and likes coming. Good luck!